guys, we changed already we remove the oil filter, no? Remove the oil filter. And then pagka mga ganitong sistema na oil filter na design sa kanyang engine, oil filter is naka 12 block. So lalagyan nyo na ang oil. You have to prime the oil filter. Prime the oil filter with oil. So once you turn the key on or start the engine, the oil suction pump, the oil pump will suck oil immediately, like seconds. And then make sure that the gasket is out there. Okay, so that's clean now. Gonna put it in. It should be like hand tight, obviously hand tight, because it won't get in if you like use the oil filter drain also. So it's on the thing. Stop the recording because it's very hard. Resume later on. Okay, oil filter in. And what we're going to do, we're gonna hand tight up to the time that you cannot turn it anymore. Tight. Okay, that's it. And then use the filter rings here, just to do like snug tight, not very tight, but snug tight. Okay, I'm happy for that. It's snug tight already. And then after that, then I close put back on the engine tray and put it down, fill up oil, check the oil level, and that's it. So now the oil filter done. We're gonna topping up oil here, the engine oil capacity here is some kind of 4 liters. We're gonna top 4 liters in here. So if you have guys the engine like this one here, this is a wetbelt model. So wetbelt model, they are very like kind of very arctic, you know, like you should have every 6 months change oil, because wetbelt doesn't good with the dirty oil, and when the oil is dirty it will like creating overheat on the side of the belt. And then once the oil loses viscosity, and then it will like shred off it will tear the fabric of the wet belt. If the oil loses viscosity, yeah, let's say you don't change oil like 1 year, 2 years or whatever, and then if the oil loses viscosity, and then the wet belt will shred off the fabric, and then it will snap, and then that is very big problem. So you should like priority the oil change on your weight belt engine model. Otherwise there will be like expensive money involved regarding fixing. Okay, so weight belt model, and then sasabihan natin yung may-ari na ano, may problema yung kanyang alternator sa charging is not giving power, no? So I don't know, like sa tingin ko bago pa ito. Check lang natin yung mga connector nito. So wala lang, hindi lang nakabit yung ano, charging nito. Check natin. Check natin yung ano, kanya ano dyan sa baba, parang hindi na connect. So connect natin, baka ito ang dahilan. Ito nga siguro yung dahilan, kasi bago yung ano guys, nagtataka ko, bago yung ano alternator, and then hindi siya nagsa-charge. Obviously meron ding mga factory defect, but very rare na mga factory defect lang, kasi once na magawa nila yan, before nila i-release, naka-testing na yan. So in this case, try natin. Ikabit na natin yung kanyang ano, ground dyan, yung charging unit. Tapos titistingan natin, start natin yung engine. Baka na lose contact lang dyan sa ano, sa what is yung sa charging nya, lose contact. So start natin yung engine, and then tistigan na to, and then test again with the tester yung charging. Guys, na-check natin yung mga connector niya. Connect naman lahat, ayos naman. Check natin. Bata scale alternators ng charging, no? So yan talaga, bad alternator, kaya walang charging supply. Okay, nang yung sasakyan, start engine, buksan mo yung ano. Okay, start na. Start. So, ang problema na kanya na sasakyan mo is yung kanyang alternator. Parang bago yung alternator, no? Bago? Oh. Kaso hindi siya nagta-charge.
Okay.
Tama mo? Dapat 13 up or 14 something.
Oh, yun ang nag-check
13
engine.
volts. So that's why sometimes
Nag-check engine.
nag-check engine dahil nasi-short siya sa power.
Okay.
So obviously, ang nagpagana sa makina mo is yung battery na lang.
Battery na lang.
So walang supply yan. So kailangan ng alternator. Okay?
Pero parang bago, di ba?
Bago nga yan, no? Chinek ko yung connector. Ayos naman, nakakonect naman lahat. Pero sometimes mayroong mga factory defect.
Okay. So yung problema natin, alternator. Sige. Sige.
Okay? Okay, thank you, pre.